welcome to Zippy's Apart. My name is Anna and this is my sister, Alessi. And today I'm going to be making egg geodes. This is for you, Emily Calandrelli. And so let me get the egg. Done. Oh, this is not egg. This is a plastic egg. I'm very sleepy today. My brother woke me up in my room and said, "Go!" and I'm very tired. Okay, now let's get the real eggs.
Said he wanted to do it nicely, and I'm crushed. That got a little crafted. Okay.
And now we have to clean the inside of the eggs. The crystals might look very pretty because they're crystals, but they're not crystals. They're egg geodes. They're egg geodes. You don't want anyone to eat. Get a hot boiling water.
My mom's gonna get it.
Yes. Now let's go.
I am gonna take 3 tablespoons. Excited. This can take 1 week.
I'm going to start to put this in the microwave for 25 seconds.
No,
I remember 25 seconds. Have you ever wanted to make your own geo, guys?
Okay, cool. Look how it came.
This is so...
Wow.
Hours.
Now I'm gonna
Okay.
go through the door.
Yeah. Okay, guys, welcome back. Today we let it sit overnight, and now we're gonna see.
I think it reached the bottom. Wait, it did. It did. It's crumbs.
Oh, there you go. There it is. There it is. Wow.
bubble on the side.